Good morning, students. Students, in our revision first of the organic chemistry, yesterday or in the previous lecture, we revised how to give IUPAC naming to the organic compounds. Today we will be having a second revision of the chapter organic chemistry, for which the certain questions are written for you on the board. I will let you revise one by one each one of these questions. I am expecting that during this revision you must have revised your organic chemistry. Now look at question number 1, students. The question number 1 is, write the structure of the following compounds. We have to write the structure of the following compound. First one is 2,3-dimethyl butane. Now, how will I write down the structure of the following compound? What is the root word over here? But. So, I will be making 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will ensure that all the valencies of carbon atom get satisfied. So, 4 carbon atom at number 2 and number 3. What is present? Methyl group. If I number from here, it will be 2. If I number from here, it will be 2. So, this is C, and then again over here will be a C. Am I clear? Now, satisfy all the 4 valency of carbon atom by putting the hydrogen atom. So, how will I put this one? This will be H. This again will be H, and this will be H. This again over here will be H. Is it clear? This will be H, then H. This will be H again and H. This again will be H, H and H. So, this is the formula for 2,3-dimethyl butane. So, this one is clear. What is the name of this compound? This is 2,3-dimethyl, and butane will be the name which will be given to this compound. Now, the next one is 3-hexene. This is A over here. Next is 3-hexene. So, how will I write down the structure of 3-hexene? For hexene, how many carbon atoms? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2 and 3. This will be 3-hexene. Fine. Am I clear? I have put the double bond at number 3. Now, I will be satisfying all the valencies of the carbon atom. How? This will be H, then again H and H. This will be H over here. This again will be H and H. Here it will be H. This will be H. Again over here H, H and H. So, this is 3-hexene or hex-3-ene over here. So, the name of this compound will be 3-hexene, or we may call it as hex-3-ene. 3-hexene, or this will be hex-3-ene. Can you see this assignment? Question. So, first one was to write down the structure of 2,3-dimethyl butane. Second one is 3-hexene. Now, number 3rd is to write the structure of prop 1 wine. So, C we will be doing, and we will be writing the structure of prop 1 wine. In prop, how many carbon atom are here? 3. So, I will be writing the 3 carbon atom. This is 1, 2 and 3. This is prop 1 wine. At number 1 carbon atom, what is present? A triple bond. This is 1 and 2. Then this will be H, satisfying the valencies. 1, 2, 3, 4 valencies satisfied. Here 3 and 4 satisfied. Here I will be writing it as H and H. So, this is what compound? This is prop 1 wine. What name is given to this one over here? This will be given as prop 1 wine. Now, if I make the another one, this is the structure of 2-methyl prop 1-ene. This is 2-methyl prop 1-ene. How many carbon atom? 3. 1, 2 and 3. What is the name over here? Prop 1-ene. So, at number 1 I will put the double bond. At number 2 what is present? Methyl group. So, I will put 1C over here. Just see, double bond is being put at number 1. At number 2, I have put the C group over here. Now I will satisfy all the 4 valencies. How? This will be H. This will be H. Then this over here will be H. This will be H. And this will be H. Is it clear, student, over here? Here in this case it will be CH. This will be H and H over here. So name of this group will be given as 2-methyl prop 1-ene will be the name which will be given to this compound. Am I getting clear? So what is this compound over here? This is 2-methyl and prop 1 and ene will be the name which will be given to this compound. So the name of this group will be 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Am I clear? Now look at the question number 2. Question number 1 must be very clear. Look at question number 2. Write the structural isomers of normal butane and normal pentane. So this was the answer to question number 1. Now look at the question number 2 over here. Answer to question number 2. Structural isomers of normal butane. Can you name the structural isomer of normal butane? It is isobutane. What are iso compounds? Those compounds in which on the second carbon atom 1 methyl group is present. So normal butane, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is normal butane. Then H and H, H and H. Then over here will be H, H and H. So what is this compound over here? The name of this group will be given as normal butane. What is the structural isomer of this one? It will be isobutane. What are isobutane? The compound in which on the second carbon atom 1 methyl group will be present. So structure will be written as C, H, H and H. So this is normal butane. In isobutane on second carbon atom 1 methyl group will be present. So this will be C. Here we will put C and then again C and will satisfy all the valencies of a carbon atom. This will be H and then over here will be H. This will be H and this will be H. So what name do we give to this one? The name of this group will be given as isobutane. Isobutane is 2-methyl propane. So isobutane, or we may call it as 2-methyl propane. These two are the structural isomers of each other. A very, very common question in the board examination. The question is, write the structural isomers of normal butane. So this will be normal butane and this will be isobutane. Then the second part is, write the structural isomers of normal pentane. This over here is the part A. Now B will be normal pentane. Pentane means how many carbon atom? There are 5 carbon atom. So this will be 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many hydrogen atom over here? 3. This will be H, H and H. Then this again will be H and then H. This will be H and H. Here again it will be H, H and H. This will be H, H and H. So this is normal pentane. You may see over here the 4 valencies of each carbon atom are satisfied. So this is a normal pentane. This is normal pentane. Now in this, if I have to make the structural isomer of normal pentane, there will be 2 structural isomers of normal pentane. One will be isopentane and other will be neopentane. How will I make the iso? By putting a methyl group on the second carbon atom. And how will I make the neo? By putting 2 methyl group on the second carbon atom. So if I write down this way, C and C, and over here I put down the C. Then this will be C and C. What will happen over here? This will be H, H and H, satisfying all the valencies. This will be H and H and H. This again will be H. This is H and H. This will be H. This again will be H and this will be H. So on second carbon atom, if you see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 2-methylbutane. On the second carbon atom, I have put the methyl group. So it will be isopentane. So what is the name of this one? Isopentane. Iso means on second carbon atom, there will be methyl group. Total number of carbon atom will be 5. Or we may call it as, this will be 2-methylbutane. What name will be given to this one? It will be named as 2-methylbutane. Similarly, if I have to make neopentane, so on the second carbon atom, there will be 2-methyl group over here. So this will be made in this manner. This is C. This is C and C. This over here again will be C and this will be C. Am I clear? Now I will satisfy all the valencies, H, H and H. This will be H, over here H and H. Then again over here H, this will be H and H. This again will be H, H and H. Just see over here, students. On the second carbon atom, how many methyl group are present? 1, 2, 3. So this will be 2,2-dimethyl propane, or we may call it as neopentane. I think I shall be very clear. This is neopentane. So on the second carbon atom, the 2-methyl group are present. So name of this will be given as neopentane, or 1, 2, 3, 2,2-dimethyl propane. The name of this group will be given as 2,2-dimethyl propane. So neopentane or 2,2-dimethyl propane. So I hope this must be very clear. These are very, very common question in the board examination. Write the structural isomer of normal butane and normal pentane. I can add up to this question, give their IUPAC names. Also give their IUPAC name. Give their IUPAC names. So also give their IUPAC names over here. Is it clear, question number 2? Now look at question number 3. I think question number 1 and 2 must be very clear. Look at question number 3. Give a chemical test to distinguish between ethane, ethene and ethyne. So we will make a table over here. This will be ethane. Then we have ethene. And then over here we will write down ethyne. Am I clear, student? Ethane, ethene and ethyne. And over here we will write down the test of this one. So in question number 3 we have ethane, ethene, ethyne, and then we will write down the test of these. These are the tests. This is question number 3. Test will be, first one is by bromine water test. So if we add, number 1 is bromine. If we add a bromine over here. So here what do we obtain? There will be no test. Here, so with bromine over here, the first test. Here reddish brown color of bromine get decolorized. Bromine is a reddish brown in color. This is reddish brown in color. What do you observe over here? Reddish brown color get decolorized. Reddish brown color get decolorized. Decolorizes. Am I clear? Here again the same observation will be made. Reddish brown color will be decolorized. Second will be alkaline KMnO4 solution. If we add alkaline KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4 is pink in color, which is also known as a Bayer's reagent. So there will be no observation of test in this case. Here pink color get decolorized. So here in this case pink color get decolorized. Am I clear, student, over here? Here again the same test will be shown. Is it clear or not? Number 3rd will be the test with ammonical silver nitrate. It is a test with ammonical silver nitrate. Now when we take ammonical silver nitrate, here it does not show any test. It does not show any test. Here you will observe the white precipitate. In this case, white precipitate will be observed. Then if we take ammonical cuprous chloride over here, ammonical cuprous chloride. So in ammonical cuprous chloride there will be no test, and over here there will be a red precipitate. So this is how we distinguish between alkane, alkene and alkynes. Am I clear? These are the very important questions as far as the board examination is concerned. So question number 3 is clear. How do we distinguish between ethane, ethene and ethyne? Question number 4. Give the general formula of alkane. So alkane, alkene and alkyne. I have to give their general formulas of alkane, alkenes and alkynes. General formula for alkane will be CnH2n plus 2. Alkene will be CnH2n and alkyne will be CnH2n minus 2. Is it clear? So this is how we write down the general formula for alkane, alkene and alkyne. For alkane the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene CnH2n, alkyne will be CnH2n minus 2. Now look at the last question. If we look at the last question, question number 5, give the IUPAC name of the compound. Question number 5 is IUPAC name. Look at this one. The structure given over here is, first part if I consider, this is CH3 and then CH2. Then again we have CH2 and then CH. This is CH3 and then CH2 and then CH3. If we have to give the IUPAC name, longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At number 3 what is present? Methyl. So the name of this group will be given as 3-methyl and this will be hexane. Am I clear? The name must begin with the capital letter. Now look at the B part. In the B part it is given as CH3, this is CH2 and COOH. So COH group is a function group. It will be given number 1, 2 and 3. For 3 carbon atom, what is the root word? This is prop, single bonded ane, and suffix will be oic and this will be acid. So name of this group will be given as propanoic acid. Is it clear, student? So this is how you have to solve the question if they are asked in the board examination. So students, in our 2 revisions of the organic chemistry, we have tried to revise with you the nomenclature part and certain questions which were given in the assignment 2 to you. So this is a revision assignment 2 or the revision 2 for the class discussion of organic chemistry. I hope you must have understood. So we'll meet again with a new discussion in the new lecture. Till then, thank you.